Shamata. Om Gurubhyo Namaha. Children, today we will know about a clever monkey and the ungrateful crocodile. Once upon a time, a clever monkey by name Raktamukha lived on a blackberry tree. He was very happy. One fine day, a crocodile, Karlamukha, swam up to the tree and told the monkey that he had traveled a long distance and was in search of food as he was very hungry. The kind Raktamukha offered him a few blackberry fruits. Karlamukha enjoyed them very much and asked Raktamukha whether he could come again for some more fruits. The generous Raktamukha happily agreed. Karlamukha returned the next day and the next one after that. Soon the two became very good friends. They discussed their lives, their friends and family like all friends do. Karlamukha told Raktamukha that he had a wife and that they lived on the other side of the river. So the kind Raktamukha offered him some extra blackberry to take home to his wife. Karlamukha's wife loved blackberry and made her husband promise to get her some every day. Meanwhile, the friendship between the Raktamukha and Karlamukha deepened as they spent more and more time together. The crocodile's wife started getting jealous. She wanted to put an end to this friendship, so she pretended that she could not believe that her husband would be friends with a monkey. Her husband tried to convince her that he and Raktamukha shared a true friendship. The crocodile's wife thought to herself that if the monkey lived on a diet of blackberry, his flesh would be very sweet. So she asked the crocodile to invite Raktamukha to their house. Karlamukha was not happy about this. He tried to make the excuse that it would be difficult to get the Raktamukha across the river. But his wife was determined to eat the monkey's flesh. So she thought of a plan. One day she pretended to be very ill and told Karlamukha that the doctor said that she would only recover if she ate a monkey's heart. If her husband wanted to save her life, he must bring her his friend's heart. Karlamukha was aghast. He was in a dilemma. On the one hand, he loved his friend. On the other, he could not possibly let his wife die. Karlamukha's wife threatened him, saying that if he did not get her the monkey's heart, she would surely die. So Karlamukha went to the blackberry tree and invited Raktamukha to come home to meet his wife. He told Raktamukha that he could ride across the river on his back. Raktamukha happily agreed. As they reached the middle of the river, Karlamukha began to sink. The frightened Raktamukha asked him why he was doing that. Karlamukha explained that he would have to kill the monkey to save his wife's life. The clever Raktamukha told him that he would gladly give up his heart to save the life of the Karlamukha's wife, but he had left his heart behind in the blackberry tree. He asked Karlamukha to make a turn back so that Raktamukha could go get his heart from the blackberry tree. The silly Karlamukha quickly swam back to the blackberry tree and heaved a deep sigh of relief. Raktamukha scampered up the tree to safety. He plucked a fruit or two from the nearest branch and throwing them down said, "You idiot! Have you seen anyone who has two hearts? You are ungrateful. Let your wife have some fruits rather than my heart. Fresh fruits are good for mind and body. Goodbye, friend, and if you don't mind, we don't meet again." Karlamukha sadly shed a few tears, which were genuine, and turned back to go home. Children, people who are ungrateful tend to be characterized by an excessive sense of self importance, arrogance, vanity, and an unquenchable need for admiration and approval. Unfavorably comparing their life with the lives of others is a characteristic of those who are ungrateful. The envy fills and consumes them so they can't be satisfied with what they have. Children, being thankful helps you to think more about other people's feelings, which is called empathy. Being thankful also helps you get through life's tough times. If the person has improved your life in a powerful way, it is very important to find an approach to gratitude that communicates your utmost appreciation with sincerity. Showing gratitude is one of the simplest yet most powerful things we can do for one another. Children, like, share, and subscribe to my channel Katha Shravanam for more interesting stories. Stay home, stay safe, be happy, and take care.